This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to participate on Zeus Testnet. Zeus is a liquidity protocol built on Metis blockchain. It is focused on delivering a better trading experience and upgraded capital efficiency to DeFi users. I believe in all the links you need to participate in this testnet on the description box, so do well to check. After adding the Metis to your MetaMask, you will need to request for faucet. I'm going to be leaving the link equally. So once you request for faucet, you are good to go. I believe the link to where you can request for faucet equally. So once you've gotten the faucet, you have to head up to swap. Then you have to work on all the swap functions by swapping Metis to MDAI, MUSDC, MUSDT, and the rest. So it's equal. You're going to be given a little quantity of Metis, so you have to know how to utilize it properly so that you can be able to use and have some remaining for gas fee. It's time to test the swap functions and the rest. So all you need to do is go to, I'll leave the link, and then do a little swap. Like I'm going to be swapping 0.3 Metis to MUSDT. So you connect your wallet. So guys, you need to confirm your transaction on your MetaMask and the rest. This testnet can actually be participated using a phone, honestly, and it is the fastest I've seen so far. This testnet is very fast. So guys, even if you have a phone, don't miss out on it. It's actually might be worth it. Nobody knows, but it's I think everybody should try out this testnet, honestly speaking, because I like it. It's swift and the interface is so beautiful. Confirm your transaction, and guys, you need to take a screenshot of this particular transaction so that you will use it for crew 3. If you fail to take a screenshot, you might not be able to complete the testnet crew tax. So you can now move on to MDAI, swap, and the rest. You can decide to take the screenshot on any of it. I actually took it on that because I forgot to take it when I was running the wrap it transaction. Guys, the next thing is to create a pool. Click on N, select pool, select MUSDT, USDC, and you can select any range of your choice, active, passive, or you customize. Now I clicked on active, select any amount. I actually use half of it. So when you select any amount, approve both MUSDT and MUSDC, then click on preview once you're done with approving them. Just sign up the transaction on the MetaMask and confirm your transaction. Now I'm going to be minimizing back to the Zeus swap. Just click the preview and see how, and yeah, then you add liquidity. So right now you can just confirm it back on your MetaMask, approve, and then wait for it to then confirm. This testnet was actually the fastest testnet I've ever done on phone. So I'm just going to confirm and wait for it to load. Then voila, you're done. So I'm going to be minimizing back to my Zeus. See, my transaction is successful. While I'm waiting for it to load, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be removing liquidity. So you can decide to remove 25, 50, or 7,500. So I'm going to be removing 50 of it. Just click remove, approve on your MetaMask wallet. Voila, you are done. Yeah, so go back to your browser. Now it's time to join the Discord. Once you join the Discord, remember you took a screenshot of your transaction. First verify on the Discord. Once you verify, head over to testnet feedback. So once you verify, guys, just read the instruction for those of you who are not familiar with Discord. Once you verify, head straight to testnet feedback. You'll see how let me see, scroll to testnet feedback. Yes, please click on it. Copy your address, your MetaMask address. You need to take a screenshot of your whole transaction. Just click on where your wallet is. This is how the transaction should look like. Then transaction screenshot, paste your wallet, give feedback. For me, I couldn't request the faucet. I had to send it from another wallet to this other wallet. So you just, but regardless of that, I think this is one of the fastest testnet ever. So just leave feedback there with a screenshot of your transaction and your wallet address, and that's all. Then you now let's head back to other tasks. Once you're done with leaving feedback, I'll be minimizing back to my browser to carry out a crew 3 tax. So I'll drop the link. All the link you need is going to be on the description box. So some of us already know how to use this to run this tax, so it's very easy. Join the crew 3 tax with the link I'll drop. Then second to the last quest, submit your first transaction history. Remember you took I'm going to be connecting back my Discord here. This is like a fresh step because I wanted to show you guys how this testnet is done. So for some of us that have already connected our Discord before now, you're not going to be seeing these prompt messages and stuff. So just connect your Discord, link your Twitter, and that's it. So it's going to be asking me to connect my wallet equally. I did. I'm going to be connecting my wallet equally. So fine, my wallet is connected. I noticed that MetaMask these days is extremely slower than before, guys. I don't know if it's only me. So now let's head over to the quest for crew 3. Once you complete each task, you will be able to claim your reward. Like the next task I'm going to be doing is going to follow them on Twitter, like and retweet, tagging 3 friends, because that's what the instruction is. So I'm actually claiming my reward XRP for XP for joining Discord. So now I'm heading over to Twitter to like. I'm going to be liking. Yeah, the task is to like, share, like, retweet, and tag 3 friends. So I'm going to like, I've already liked, I'm going to retweet and put up a comment tagging 3 friends. Guys, this is just like a normal airdrop tax. So you just add 3 people you want to add and then move on. So once you tweet, come back to your quest and claim your reward. Once you have claimed your reward, now this is a very crucial part, guys. The first screenshot you take, go back to it, pick the image, upload it, claim your XP, and then copy your wallet address and paste equally. Once you paste your wallet address, claim your reward. That's the end of the testnet, guys. So easy and fast. I didn't take this thing didn't take me up to 30 minutes. If you've come to the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe if you want, turn on post notification, like and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.